your light on, Rachel?
No.
Turn it on.
Why?
Up the video. I can see better. Oh, it's running down. The juice is. Oh, it's cracking. The juice is running like all down the rubber band. That's good.
That's a good way to cut a watermelon open.
I'm pretty sure that only that back half is gonna come off. See how it's curving?
I know. It'll be interesting to see what it does in the end.
Watch the top, it's just spreading.
Watching paint dry, boys.
Falls over from the wind.
Like, I think the rubber bands are going to break before
No.
it does it.
Pretty sure we came to a plateau effect.
I feel like it's expanding.
It's leaking like crazy on the other side.
Get off, you fly. I'm gonna eat that. The piece is gonna fall out.
Oh, it's going. If you look at the very top, you can see it separating. Maybe we could fast forward this part and then slow-mo it when it moves a lot.
It's not going to do anything, dude.
It's gonna fall off.
Maybe like
The top's
flour.
gonna fall off.
I'm gonna catch the piece that falls because I'm eating that.
Your video was fake. Whoever did it was fake. Japanese were fake.
Nice, give them over on
They probably sped it up and made it look real.
Now it's shot.
Yeah, you can do
No,
it
it
next time.
exploded pretty good.
I think I should go back.
Oh, here it goes.
I'm going to the other.
Oh, here it goes.
Whoa! Oh my goodness!
Look at the ball.
That was so cool!
Everyone dig in.
Dad, you just missed it! That was so cool!
Look at the ball it made.
Want some?
Yeah!
Yes. Success. I got that on your camera too, Joe. So I'm soaking wet now.
Okay, there's like chunks of watermelon. I don't know if that's good enough.
Here you go.
We did good. Great
That
job,
was good.
guys.
Here you go.
The crack was a little longer than I anticipated.